Welcome to this video on IT guidelines and support standards. Our goal is to ensure security, integrity, efficiency, and the responsible use of technology across the company. It is important to remember that one small mistake can lead to significant issues, including data loss, unauthorized access, and business interruptions. Following these standards helps keep our systems secure, reliable, and efficient. Our standards focus on three core pillars: security, which protects our systems; integrity, which ensures our information remains accurate and confidential; and efficiency, which encourages the responsible use of all company resources. Your digital identity is your responsibility. Use strong, unique passwords and protect them using multi-factor authentication. Remember, IT support will never ask for your password. Be vigilant against email threats. Watch for unknown sender addresses, suspicious attachments, or messages demanding urgent action. If an email looks suspicious, do not interact with it. Report it to IT immediately. Device and workspace security is vital. Always lock your screen when you leave your desk, use official VPNs on public networks, and never leave company equipment unattended in public locations. Stay within our approved software matrix. Use only authorized enterprise tools. Avoid pirated software, and never input confidential information into unverified public AI tools. Data protection is crucial. Keep company files within our secure, approved zones. Avoid using personal USB drives, personal email accounts, or unauthorized cloud storage for sensitive work documents. When troubleshooting, follow basic steps. Check connections, restart your device, document error messages, and capture evidence before contacting IT for further assistance. The perfect IT ticket provides clear details, including user information, the specific error, the business impact, and any troubleshooting steps already taken. Avoid vague descriptions like "system not working." Incidents are triaged based on severity, ranging from low-priority requests to critical security breaches. Regardless of the type, please report any security incident, such as a lost device or phishing attempt, immediately. Follow the 10 golden rules of IT to keep our digital environment safe. From protecting your password to reporting incidents promptly, these habits are essential for maintaining our collective security. Incorporate these tasks into your daily routine. Check your connectivity in the morning, lock your screen during the day, and ensure all work is properly saved and closed by the evening. Use this quick reference guide to remember our key do's and don'ts, such as always locking your computer and storing files in approved locations, while avoiding risky habits like sharing passwords. Technology works best when everyone uses it responsibly. Remember to think, protect, check, lock, and report. Thank you for doing your part to keep our organization secure.